N.R.T here, guys. So, this is part 68. I'm working on 47610. Good job done. I haven't worked on this thing in a bit, probably a little over a month. Just trying to figure out how to get this apart here, and it takes a 7. It's in there, but found the right bit and use the ratchet. Hopefully it don't break. Gonna be a real test on the computer. Where are my overalls? Or coveralls, or whatever they're called. I think they're, no. Overalls. Because coveralls are the ones with the straps. So, yeah, we gotta get this apart, and then I gotta get this apart, and then the next thing is I got to build a adapter to get that big bang off. CTA Tools sent me a puller, but it's not big enough for the, it's not long enough, as you see. It needs to be like that longer, so we gotta build a custom one of these. But, okay, see if we can get this loose without breaking it. Hope for the best. Oh, it turned, I think. It wasn't happy, but it turned. The capri broke it loose. Go ahead and spin it. Got that damn thing loose. What do you think? Yeah, it's pretty dang. Look at that. We used a T30 when we got that out. Look at that. Capri got the job done. So now, take my hammer and just should. Okay, that's good what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing there. I was worried that I was going to have to get a big wrench. This 3-inch diameter, and those wrenches are very hard to find. I was thinking about making one or getting one custom made, but I saw one on Snap-Off's website, and they were wanting like $800 for the damn thing. Which I might have to buy, but luckily look at that, look at all that, that's all bubbled. Probably get like a bar in there. Found the perfect tool. Will fit. Yep. Has it been a party here? Behind me. Yeah. break up some of that garbage. Another set screw on this damn thing, is there? That is on there. It frees up right there. It gets hard. It's like there's nothing in the way. It's just the threads. They're just so corroded. Yes. WD-40 in here. Yeah, that's over here. It's in the jug, but should still work. Let that soak. Hit it a couple times. Now what this is doing is it's shocking it, and hopefully that'll break free. If not, we're gonna have to heat this up. It's all cast. So this piece, I think that's machined still. But go ahead and try again. Maybe that's what was the problem. Yeah, it looks like that's the problem. Go ahead and turn you guys. See if we can see anything in here. Things like, why won't it just come apart? Why is it gotta be so damn difficult? Why? Why does it? It's stupid. It's like, why won't the dang thing just come apart? I don't know. I'm honestly surprised this big damn set screw came out on stripping. That's pretty impressive, so Here's shut out the Capri tools. I thought that was gonna break the bit. What was it again? T30? Yeah, T30. I mean, look at that. I'm surprised it didn't break it. We're working on heavy equipment here. So, I was pretty dang impressed with that, but I think I'm here. I'm gonna have to get some better penetrating oil. Let it sit. Or you know what it could be? It could be like a keyway. There is a keyway on that thing. There could be like keyway money. I'm not. I guess it's for. Gotta look to see. Gotta look to see. I'm gonna go ahead and twist the dang light's not sticking. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some WD-40 on that. Let's get all this up. You're wasting it! You're wasting the W! You're wasting the WD-40! You're wasting it! And just screw that back in. Oh, stubborn little part. I ain't gonna lie. There ain't like a snap ring in that, is there? So much damn crap. This thing's definitely a project. Definitely a project. Definitely a project. There's like a snap ring right there or something. Kinda like weird that it won't just come apart. But also it's fresh from 1982, so you should be surprised it ain't coming apart, but it almost looks like there's a, see, forget my light, look, that looks like a keyway right there, and I'm thinking, maybe when it's screwed out all the way, you gotta line up, and then it'll pull apart. I think that's the only thing I can think of, because there's no snap ring on this side. As you see, there's no snap ring. There's a set screw right here, which I got. And this nut wasn't too tight. I was able to break it free. Because I was worried I was going to have to get a socket or something to break that free. But I got it broken free. Got to clean up now because there's a bunch of hammer marks on it. But Ain't nothing a little wire on a flap disk can't fix. So, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking here. So, I'm gonna turn it to the other way. I'm gonna work on the other stuff. I'm gonna let this sit and soak and let the WD-40 do its thing. So, flip this all around. Around, around we go. Round and round. We go. Okay. We got the lovely full of cow shit. Crap. Gotta love working on these old tractors. If you don't love working on these old tractors, you're not gonna enjoy working on these old tractors. But man's this one a project. Last time this thing was, I don't think this thing was ever cleaned after working. I mean, I just want all types of crap and corn silage. I mean, it's just, I mean, you could just have a, and just look at that. That's all cow manure and corn silage. And it's just packed in there. No wonder why all these levers are seized. Now, sometimes, because this was a dairy tractor for most of its life. And dairy is just hard on everything. I haven't came across one dairy that has 100% equipment, and that's just because cattle are hard and crap. I mean, people get on dairy farms about they don't take care of their crap, but it's like barns. Cows just beat the heck out of the barns. Should really get a scraper. But look at that. That's payday right there. How's this lever? I need to find. I don't know where I'm gonna find all these rubber covers for the control levers. If you guys know where I can find all these little rubber covers for all these levers, please let me know. I need them for the transmission levers, the throttle, the the auxiliary throttle, in case you want to run in on a pump or something and not hold the throttle. You can just bump the throttle up. I know this all comes apart, but just how? That's my question. Just how? I'm better off using my pocket knife than a torque screwdriver. Yeah, look at that. Now we're cooking. There gotta be. There's usually a set screw on. See right there, there they are. Okay, I found them. I mean, not set screw, but a pen. Almost like the same type of pens they use on ATV axles. And they are. There they are. And the chances of them not gonna fight me coming out, probably 1 in a million, but we're gonna give it a try. Well, that one came out. Crap. Yeah, like that pen right there. That one came out. I just gotta get the other one out. Come on there. You own it. One more. Sometimes these can be a real burden. Not that one. One over there. I got parts all through here. And I need a flashing screwdriver out. Somehow I managed not to use an air hammer on this whole damn project. And there's been a couple of times where an air hammer would have been nice. That's why you don't use a screwdriver. Because now there's a hang on it. Come on, you stubborn little. Come on, you dirty bastard. It's being stubborn, not coming apart. Something like this. No, that screwdriver. Well, that's how you take the handle off the screwdriver, and now it's stuck in there. Dang it. Down in that channel. Come on, come on. Come on. Stubborn little thing. There we go. Now this dirty bastard should all come apart. See, those pins aren't in the way. So I should just keep on turning. And you can free it up by just spinning it. It'll spin all around. Just like that. I have no idea how that's supposed to come out. Because this piece looks somewhat solid, but I could be wrong. Yeah, I could be wrong about that. Yeah, it's not solid. And that's why, because the piece comes out. Now we gotta work on this. Yeah, that's all. That whole piece right there comes out. Snap ring. No, I remember last time I tried. I need an impact screwdriver for this. So I got to order an impact screwdriver for that. Could just break it. But it's good. Oh, now I'm breaking it. Let that sit. What else can we work on while we're in there? I don't think I can get the socket. If I can find a. Yeah, well, that's way too big. This won't work. But we got that apart. It's pretty much just get this apart, and that apart, and this can get pressure washed. We're going to talk about differential housing. As you see, it's pretty dang rusty, but that's because this was all wrong. Still not painted or primed. But here's a wire wheel real quick, or some horrific acid. We'll clean the rust off real quick. But I got to get some propane, or get some oxygen acetylene, and I got to heat this up to 500 to 800 degrees, and just fire up the welder generator, and just weld all this. I'm going to weld this because I'm going to re-drill this and re-tap it, and that's going to be good because the threads are all messed up and it was all cracked out. I could have probably went to right there. I didn't need to go this far, but it's alright. I got some nickel rod. This is the N.R.T. from Blue Demon. Huge shout out to them for sending this out. They also sent me some E4043 aluminum rod, and that's for all the cast aluminum stuff, like this cover. We're gonna get that cover fixed, because that's what N.R.T. does. She fixes stuff. So if it can be fixed, N.R.T. will get her done. So I plan to have some more videos coming out on this thing in the upcoming weeks. Sorry for a delay. I've been really busy on other stuff. Working in the ATV shop, getting the garden tractor done, or closer to done, and the Odyssey. So, building a welding cart. So, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this part 68, I believe. Working on the 47610, and I hope to catch you on the next video on the 7610. Catch you then.